Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings be upon you all. How are you guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with Google. Okay, Google, many people really don't realize how powerful is that. I would always say it has a golden egg because so much can be done with Google. Today, I'm going to show you the one power of Google. Basically, you're going to be making money with, like, I mean, they say, whenever I say make money, don't I just don't want to overhype it. I'm just talking the range of $20, $30 up to $50. This job, which I'm going to show you, which anybody can do. Okay, I'm going to show you straight to the website now. Anyway, if you're first time watching, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. It will really help me to rank my channels so many people can watch my channels. I really appreciate your support. Anyways, let's straight jump into the video. The first thing, before I even go to the secret method which I'm going to show you, I just want to show you what's all about. I'm straight into Fiverr, okay, without showing all the mess up, just straight to the point. I want to show like how people are making money. Okay, this is a method, email scrapping. I just went and typed in emails. Fiverr, if you don't know, I've done a video on Fiverr many times. You can check it. It's a place, it's a marketplace where many people come and do buy. People like me go and do logos. People like me go and buy, make people to do websites, because this is a place we go. And when I come and search email scrapping or database scrapping or data scrapping, whatever you type in, you can see what people are doing here. Just look at it. Find emails and data gathering and lead generation. How much they're charging? $15. Like, he has got almost 28 jobs. This guy, Google Maps scrapping. Actually, it's mainly end of the day, wherever you scrap, we call it a scrapping. They want emails. Why people want emails? Imagine a company newly formed in US. They want list of food bloggers, they want list of doctors in that region. Why? They want to promote something to them, they want to sell something to them, so they want that email ID, their contact numbers, their details, actually, in order to reach them and in order to promote their products. This is the main aim. They want to sell something to somebody, right? And they want such lists so that they can start emailing them regularly and give them some freebies and make them their customers. That's the main aim of it. So this is what these people sitting somewhere in the world, helping people around the world. Okay, so this is what they do. This guy is the cheapest. I can see $5, I can see $15, $10. What they do, they go and do email scrapping online and give that database to the company, whoever is asking for. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about, in the range of $10, $15, $30, $40. It's all depends upon what you're going to do. It's end of the day, if you see everything, email list. This is what they want to give you, email. This is what you call email scrapping. So this is exactly, I'm going to teach you how you can do. Basically, I'm not going to show you how to go and put a gig like this. That is a separate topic. I have done many videos, or you can go and search in Google how to do listing on Fiverr. Okay, that's a different topic. You can check on my channel. I have done that as well. So that is a different thing. What I want to show is how these people are able to do it. Just a small one method. There are lots of softwares are there online where you can go buy the software and you can start do email scrapping. That is also there. Okay, but I'm not going to show you a paid way today, because I assume people who are watching my channel, many of them are like, they just not even earn like $10, $20. So just what I'm trying to show in a free method. I don't want to show you a paid method. Free method. Okay, the first method is, if you see, I just was doing just before, just in order to save some time, I just went, if you see at the top here what I'm typing here, if you see this, food bloggers, anything you can type, network engineers, you can type doctors, you can type physician, whatever you want, you can type in here. I just see this colon. If you want, you can copy, just pause the channel video and copy how I'm doing. See this, I just put colon. See this, I went to Google, I just did, let me change into doctors, or might be physicians, might be like that is better, physicians, something like that. Physicians. Okay, just type in this colon, double colon, and then put New York, whichever the city you want to type. I'm Hotmail, I'm searching, whichever email you want to search. I'm doing a search. What happens is that it just gives me list of emails. You can see this one. What am I got? Clam at 516@hotmail.com. From physician directory, it has got an email in the New York City. Actually, this is some email here. This is some email here. There's no email in this one. Okay, there's the email. There's the email here. If there's the only way, physical way, is to go and copy this one by one by an email, and then put it in Excel sheet and then sell them. Okay, I'm just assuming somebody came to you in the Fiverr and asking you, I want the list of doctors in New York, I want the list of doctors in Dubai, I want the list of doctors in, or might be food bloggers, I want a list of physicians, whatever it is they are trying to come and approach you. This is what you're going to do. Come, do this one. And when you do search, always remember there's two things. One, I'm just going to show you one, okay, not two. This is, if you see here, you can see this. This is called an extension, which is called Chrome extension, which is called email extractor. If you just go type in email extractor, Chrome extension, this is what you get. This is the email. This is, come here, click here. I've added it. You just come and add this extension to your remove this. I already have. So I'm just going to add it here. It's already there. So I'm going back. See, it shows one, okay, in this email. I'm going to go back to my search, which I was doing here. And if you see this one, voila, this is like the magic. Okay, so what it has done is it has scrapped entire email from this list, from Hotmail, which is like I got 50 emails from this one page, which is 50. Or normally when you do search, you will have only 10 in one search. There's one hack here. You come and go to this more settings here, and then change your search settings, that scale into, you can see this, 10, make it into 50 or 100. So that means you don't want to do each and every time, like come back each and every page. See, this one shows me 50 searches. You can see this, up to 50. So in the first page I got like 55 emails, right? I'm going to go to the second page now. Let's see how much I'm able to get. See this one, 61. Let me see if it's the new one or the old one. Yes, 51. This is the first. This is see the email, Maria Way and Dr. Eric. Okay, let's give me a second, guys. My son is here disturbing. Let me just. I'll come back, please. So this is what I'm trying to show is, this is like 51 emails on the second page. Let's see, is it the same email I'm getting on the first page? Let me go back to the first page again. Because already we got 50 plus 50, 100 emails now. Okay, so the first one, let's see if it is different one. I got like 55 emails. See, this is a different email. Yeah, it is a different email. See, clam 516, and it was a different email. So already I got 110 emails from the two searches. This is just for Hotmail. So how you get more emails? I can say, you can see it is called as a scrapping. So you come here, because everybody not going to use Hotmail, right? The famous one is Gmail. Let's see how much I'm getting out of Gmail. So let's see, Gmail, I'm going to get 44 out of the first page. Okay, that is 50 of them. So this is exactly, you come here, open it, just copy it and put it in your Excel sheet, go to Fiverr and sell it. Okay, this is like the simplest thing you can ever do. This is actually I learned long back, but I didn't think other day when I saw a video of somebody doing this, I was thinking, oh my god, I could have done a video on this. I was thinking why I didn't do a video on this. This is actually I'm just showing one site, Fiverr. Same like this, you have Freelancer, you have TrueLancer, you have Upwork, you have Concur, SEO Clerk. These are all freelancer websites. You can go and publish a gig saying that I will give you email IDs. I will scrap email IDs for you for $5. I wouldn't really recommend you to start with a big amount. Start with $5, $10 because it's a newbie. So once you get 2 or 3 more jobs, then you can be more confident and do more and more. Okay, this is just one of the gigs I'm showing you. There are different ways I've shown you to make money with Fiverr, but this is just one way. So imagine, just see, you don't want physician. Okay, I'm just gonna let's see, I'm gonna put food bloggers. Just to give you an idea, how powerful this Google search is. Google actually itself, food bloggers. Let's put, just I'm not talking about only New York. Let's search. Let's change this one. Let's put Dubai or something. I'm just trying to show that there are ways people they say an email is worth $2, or even people say $3 or $4 one email is. So you're scrapping them and you're selling. Actually, people might say this is not legal and stuff. as long if they have produced their email ID on websites, that means it's like it can be approached by anybody. Many people email me by taking my email from YouTube. That's like, because when I publish my email, it's meaning that you are allowing others to contact you. So that is in itself, it is like they approving themselves that that you can approach them, but for any other purposes. So imagine this food bloggers in Dubai. See, I just did which is like 50 searches. I'm getting 40 emails already I've got. So you just copy and you can go and use it for Fiverr gig. Okay, I'm not telling you to abuse this system. I'm trying to show you how powerful this Google search is, and you can use it for such good purposes, and you can also make money out of it. See, it's not much competition. It's only 2,600 searches. Imagine if you're going to do like logo design. This Fiverr is so competitive. It's so much competitive. It's very hard. Very few people are doing this. 139,000 people are like, the gigs are there for one purpose, is logo design. When it comes to data or email scrapping, it is very few people. So that means competition is less, and you can join and you can start producing your gigs and start making money with this. It's all about, I'm just showing you one method. There are lots of also, no time, I don't want to drag this video. There's also see this extension here. This is called data scrapper. What this data scrapper is, it scraps the entire details. You see this, I'm in this page Fiverr. It just went and scrapped the entire details of all this gig link. It has scrapped the seller name. It has scrapped the details of the person, like what they exactly do. I will do whatever it is, and the money, like how much they charge. This is a different topic to talk about. This is not going to take you the email. If it is email is there, it will take the email also. But this is called a data scrapper. What I showed you is the email extractor. This is what you need for that email extractor. But data, this is also I use. I can't reveal everything, but I'm trying to tell you as much as possible where you can make use of it. In this video, I want to talk about only this email extractor. This is also, you can take it. It's called Data Scrapper. It's also free. We can start using it. But for this purpose, for this gig, for this Fiverr, you can just use this email extractor, extract any email. As I said, you can watch this one, ;, food bloggers, again @gmail or @hotmail, @yahoo, @yahoo.co.in, .co.uk. There are lots and lots of emails can be scrapped. What I showed you is a method where you can make money with selling the email ID which you got. There are also other lots of, if you think outside the box, you can also use this email if you're a food blogger, if you're a YouTuber, if you're somebody who are trying to promote yourself, something, you can also take this email, put it into Gmail. There's something called Gmass where you can bulk email many people, like up to 500 per day, where you can email them and you can start selling your products as well. That's a different topic to talk. But at the moment, I'm just showing you this power of Google, how much you can make use of it, and you can use it as a gig for one of these Fiverr gigs, which I showed you, which is called email scrapping. That's it, guys. That's all about today, how to make money with Google, with email scrapping with Fiverr. Okay, so I just showed you a gist of it. It's so much to do with. You have to open a gig with Fiverr. You have to rank the Fiverr. There are lots of missing parts. Of course, I know that but the first step is how, you need to take that, first step of doing it. You have to go and open the account, open the gigs. You just don't just open one gig and just wait and money will come. It's not going to happen. Once you do it, it's lots of things are there surrounding Fiverr. How you had to promote the Fiverr, how to go and join different groups, how to join the business groups, Facebook groups, how to go and promote there. There are lots of things are there. I know the missing parts we say, but I'm just trying to show you just a small gist, the main core, how you can start making money with Google and Fiverr. Okay, that's it, guys. That's all about today's video. If you got some value out of it, just comment below, or if any doubts, just comment. I will reply to it. And if this is your first time watching, make sure subscribe and hit that bell icon, so it will help me to grow my channel. I totally appreciate your support. Thanks a lot for your time. See you in the next one. Bye.